Hey you guys, welcome back to SBE Aesthetics. This is your girl Champagne coming to you back with another banger. Hello. Okay, so you guys, we're going to be doing a green glitter look. I was kind of struggling. I'm like, I don't even know what type of look I want to do. It's kind of hard, like, you know, having it in your head, like, okay, I want to do this, but you know, I guess we'll figure it out. So like, it's going to be like a green glitter look. I don't know how I'm per se going to go about doing it, but yeah, we're just going to get started. Oh, and on this channel, I show you guys everyday makeup looks, special occasion makeup looks, skincare tips and advice, and all about being an esthetician. So if this is something that you are looking to know more about, then stay tuned on this channel. We're gonna get started. I had already did my brows. I used Fawn to clean them up, and then I used Tarte in Deep. What is this? Tarte in Deep? Yeah, Deep. I used that to do the to fill in, not fill in, put on all my other eyelids, and I do that to use that as a base. I really like how it dries down. Okay, let's move on. So I'm going to be going in. I'm going to be using. Hold on. I'm going to use Take Me Back to Brazil palette. We're going to be using some greens up in here. Okay. So we're just going to get started. Sis. Then see that green? We're going to put this in the crease. Pray for me. I probably should have used like a lighter. Yeah, I should have used a lighter eyeshadow, but not eyeshadow, but a lighter base, but that's okay. We'll just do this. So y'all see how it's looking this far? So you just pat, and move, like as you see me do, right? Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing I did to this eye on this eye, and I'll be... Okay, you guys, so I did put the remaining green on the other eye, and so we're gonna go in with, a darker green. Well, not darker, yeah, I guess it is a little darker green. It kind of looks like this. And we're just going to take that right below, right there. Kind of like in the crease and below. And we're going to focus that color right in the crease, like on the lid. Y'all see. It's easier to just watch sometimes. Because what I did was I took that green up so you could see the transition of the greens. You see? Yeah. I like it. This green is pretty. Okay. Come through then. You guys. Okay, guys. So I'm back and I got both greens. You can see the lighter green and then the darker green. So for this look, I kind of want to do like a half cut crease, like a, what they call it, like a moon shape cut crease. I've done one, I think I've done one before. If not, that's what we're going to do. So let's just get her done. It's kind of hard, like holding. The mirror. Y'all see what it is right now. So I'm kind of like taking it up. Kind of, I am taking it up. And I'm literally like stamping. I'm gonna have to take this up a little higher, as you guys can see. So my green probably Yeah, we play. My green might not be the best right now. So remember, we're just doing a half. Oh, sorry. So we're doing it like halfway. Like, we'll probably stop right there. That's where we're gonna stop. And you see, and when I look like this, it's gonna look like that. So I gotta come up a little higher, you guys, you see? Because I have a lot of creases in my eye. So I'm gonna take it up a little higher. Because I'm hooded eye. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna fill it in. I'm gonna do this eye, and I'll come right back. Okay, you guys, so I went on ahead. I know it's like, ooh, look at that. But I went on ahead and I finished doing like my half. I guess this is halfway. I mean, I could have came a little like stuff. I don't know. This is my half moon way. It's not all the way over. So like you see. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to take that darker green that we have. And we're going to apply it, you know, where we see it. So before I do that though, I'm going to pat those edges out at the bottom. Because sometimes when you don't do that and you're going to add eyeshadow, it can show, and I just don't like that. So we're going to go ahead and just add green. I'm going to be very careful because I don't want the whole eye to be like green, since we're doing like a half. I mean, I guess it's not too bad. Sorry, y'all can't even see. Now this right here can be a special occasion makeup look. See, y'all see that? How I should have blended that out a little better. It might be too late though, but it is what it is. I ain't gonna stress over it. Y'all see what it is? Sometimes, like, if you don't blend properly, like, you know, that line would show. But I'm not gonna stress over it. I'm gonna just do better next time. See, we all make mistakes. See that? I can see it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's kind of bothering me a little bit. So we're gonna do that. Then I'm gonna go ahead and do this same thing over here to this eye. Okay, you guys, so I just blended over the green from the outer corner into like going inwards, I guess. Yeah, inwards. Yeah. And I'm just doing that because I kind of want like I like to do that to transition. I'm going to be going in my masquerade palette, and I'm going to be using this green, this shimmer green that I think is so gorgeous. Y'all see what it is? Okay, I mean, you know, it is what it is, you know. Oh, that is pretty. Look at that. I like how it really matches the other green, but it kind of goes into like a shimmer instead of a matte. I like that. Y'all see what it is? Freaking gorgeous. I love this. I really love this. I don't know. It's just me or what, but I really love this, like, this look. Uh-oh. Almost did something. Until I find, I mean, I guess I do have another, this other shade, but I really like this one. This is out of, this one is out of the Warrior Juvia's palette, the Mormi, however you pronounce that. So I'm just gonna blend. I'm just gonna blend the where you see I know me, I took a napkin and I wiped the rest off, and then I'm just gonna tap on the line between the lighter shimmer and the green, just to make sure it's a good blend. As y'all see me do. All right, so then I'm gonna go clean up my green right here, put my liquid liner on my lashes, and we gonna get back into the move of green, the move of things. I'll show you that, and then the full look. I'll be right back. So this is the finished eye look for the top part, at least. So hope you guys will like it. So I'm thinking about either like adding like some glitter in a corner or underneath my eye. I'm not sure, but I do want like a glitter look today, so I'm gonna figure that out. So yeah, so just stay tuned for the finished look. If you like this look already and you thinking like, okay, I can kind of mimic that, I can kind of use that, this could be a special occasion look. This could be a 4th of July look. This could be a birthday party look. This could be your birthday look, baby shower look, whatever. Something special. This wouldn't be something you wear every day, but I mean, some people do. Don't judge them. But yeah, so yep, this is the look. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my face, and I'll be back with you guys. Give this video a thumbs up too. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Okay, you guys, so here is the finished look. Of this beautiful makeup look. If you enjoyed this look, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Please be sure to subscribe to this channel. Again, we were going for a green glitter makeup look, and as you guys can see, I do have like some green liner at the top of my eye. Sorry. I have some green liner at the top of my eye, and then I have some at the bottom. I put some green eyeshadow at the bottom, and then I put glitter on top of it. What I just used to make the glitter stick is, where's that? I used this little clear glue, eyelash glue, just to make it, you know, pop, you know, yeah. But I'm really liking this look. If you like this look, drop the comment down below and let me know. And if you want me to do another makeup look, please request it. I would not mind doing it. I'm really digging this look. I actually like it. I like how it came out. I did my brows. I used for my brows, I used this like Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim pencil right here. So I really like it because it's very defining. So yes, you guys, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Support your girl, subscribe, okay? Let me know what type of makeup look you want to see next, or what do you want to know about esthetician. I got some more coming in motion right now, so yeah. So stay tuned for that, and yeah, I'm just gonna wrap it up and get out of here because we're done. So I hope you guys enjoy this look. I'll pose if you want a screenshot, take a picture. Okay, you guys, bye.